Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff, and welcome to another edition of What's My Favorite Tool Right Now, or whatever it is that I called this series. These are just a chance for me to say thank you to one of my tools that's been doing good work for me for the last little while. And in this edition, I've realized that I have never thanked my Dewalt 5-inch random orbital sander. This guy right here gets a lot of work in my shop. I will start by saying I have no comparison to other random orbit sanders. This is the only one I've ever owned, so I can't say if it's better or worse than anything else. This is not in any way a sponsored situation. Dewalt has never contacted me for any reason. But this guy, I got him, it's actually kind of the point that I've never had another one. Because I got this sander for Christmas 2 Christmases ago, which means it's going into its 3rd year. At the end of this year, it's going into its 3rd year of heavy use in this shop. And it has never had so much as a hiccup in terms of performance. It's been a stalwart member of the tool community here in the Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff shop. It does have the speed adjust, but I leave it cranked at top speed. It's sometimes running on a big project with lots of parts, going through all the grits, it's running for an hour, sometimes 45 minutes to an hour, only stopping long enough to change the sandpaper. And I've chucked it in the back of the truck and brought it places. I am not nice to this guy. I use it on my lathe, even. I am in no way taking care of this thing, and it has been a champ. So thank you, Mr. Dewalt Random Orbit Sander. You win this edition of Mike's favorite tool right now, and I am going to put you to use again later today. And I guarantee, like I said, I have no connection to Dewalt, but when this guy ends up dying, it owes me nothing at this point. I probably put, I don't even know, 70 hours of runtime on this thing, 90% of which was at top speed. And when it eventually gives up on me, I'm gonna go get another one, because I think you find them on sale for 80 bucks Canadian, give or take. So what, $1 an hour? Maybe if it dies in the next 10 hours of use, I paid $1 an hour for this sander. I'm happy with that. So thank you to my Dewalt Random Orbit Sander. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Get out in the shop and make something. I gotta get back to work. Bye for now. All right.